Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today I will teach you English year number 2, page number 21, exercise grammar. Students, now let us start. Topic: subjective, objective and possessive pronouns. Subjective pronouns are used as subjects of verbs. Objective pronouns are used as objects of verbs. Possessive pronouns are used instead of nouns that show possession of something. Read the following sentences and notice the use of personal pronouns as subjective, objective, and possessive pronouns. First, personal pronoun is I. Subjective pronoun: I am not feeling well today. Objective pronoun: Ali gave me a very cute pet cat. Possessive pronoun: this pair of shoes is mine. Next, personal pronoun is we. Subjective pronoun is we are going on a picnic. Objective pronoun: who is going with us. Possessive pronoun: this picnic basket is ours. Next, personal pronoun is you. Subjective pronoun: you are looking gorgeous. Objective pronoun: Dad brought some toys for you. Possessive pronoun: is this toy yours? Next, personal pronoun is he. Subjective pronoun: he is going to attend a math lecture. Objective pronoun: he is going with him. Possessive pronoun: these notebooks are not his. Next, personal pronoun is she. Subjective pronoun: she is making tea. Objective pronoun: mother helped her making tea. Possessive pronoun: it is his glasses not hers. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly note down this work on your books. It is your book work. Okay, Allah Hafiz.